Here camel riding is available in Puri beach. Let's check it. Now it's the time like 11 a.m. It's too much hot here. Whenever you come down to Puri beach, you have to just book like some lifeguard, umbrella and chair. You have to sit here for few times. And let's check this wave. Gradually it is increasing. Morning time it is little bit slower one. Now it's gradually increasing. Waves are increasing. Let's check this. Still people are enjoying here. You have to book a lifeguard, umbrella along with 3-4 chair. You can stay here for calmly for 1-2 hours, not problem. And I am giving you some numbers like lifeguard Vishnu. His number is 92. So whenever you come, you contact him. I'll provide you his number for better and safety enjoyment of Puri beach. Bye bye guys. Wait for my next video.